Do you have a stinky, pollen-smelling water cistern? We can eliminate the pollen and the accompanying smell without throwing away all that precious water. If you are looking for a professional, reliable and affordable company to clean your water cistern, look no further. We're proud to be the premier local cleaning service for your water cistern needs, and our team has years of experience cleaning all types of commercial, institutional and residential cisterns. Our company has WCB, is ComplyWorks certified and a Brookfield GIS supplier. From poly to concrete, fibreglass or stainless steel cisterns, small to large, our team can do it all. As we do not enter the cistern to clean, there is no confined space violation. We do not drain the water before cleaning, saving you hundreds of dollars in water replacement costs. If you would like a quote on your cleaning service requirements, contact one of our friendly staff now for a free, no-obligation consultation.